Hey folks, I got a great question from a viewer. When they got their YDD lightsaber, sorry about that. When they got their YDD lightsaber, the blade did not come attached to the hilt. Mine did. So they wanted to know how to attach it without just jamming it in there, and that's a great question. If you don't know, there's a retention screw right here. So like, here's where the trigger is to turn it on. Flip it over 180, and on the back here you'll see these retention screws. So the first retention screw, I'm using an Allen wrench, okay, a hex wrench, and I'm using the 5/64. If you have metric, use a 2mm wrench. Alright, keep doing that. You can see there's like a hair trigger on this YDD saber. So just loosen that retention screw just like I did there. Can you see that? Yeah, I just wanted to see if the light's good. And then maybe do the second one. Now if you don't have a YDD Ghost Saber, if you have a different one, sometimes, okay, so see how that came loose? And see where the two little indentation marks are? Wait, I don't know if you can see that or not. So there's two marks that are divots in the blade that have been made from, probably from me dropping it, but it may have come that way. I'm not sure. This is the first time actually that I've actually disassembled the blade. So yeah, so then you can just tighten these up. So this third screw here is for the internals, something to connect the internals, probably the switch assembly. So I would not loosen that if I were you. You can of course tighten it if you feel like there's something moving around in there. But yeah, so you just want to tighten these. You don't want to really clamp down on them too good. But you don't want this blade to twist either in the hilt. So that's how you do that. So 5/64 hex wrench, also known as Allen wrenches, or 2mm is the closest. And this is actually probably a 2mm. So have fun playing with your Ghost. Thanks for the question, and smash like to help me. That helps me a lot, and I love you guys. May the force be with you. Take care.